So, hi again. Good afternoon. Jashin Kapani, founder CEO. I'm Decon Design, New Delhi, NCR, Noida for now, on your screens right now. And we are in the business and we specialize in designing, manufacturing, and supplying home and office interior solutions and accessories and products. We also conceptualize and design stuff and all that. And right now, on a weekend, my brain is working on proactive mode on one complex issue in our country, which is being repeatedly brought forward, and it's not being treated the right manner because the concerns are kind of, debatable, and they can go on for a number of months and years and stuff like that. But what I strongly and firmly believe is that we want solutions, and we have to find a balanced and a realistic and a practical way to sort out issues and problems and stuff. I normally introduce myself through my videos and stuff about our products and stuff in details. I'm not going to do that. Let me tell you, I'm an award winner, about 6 awards. um I represent our country at various forums as well. I speak at forums, and I've got about 16 to 18 certificates for participation at various events and for causes and purpose and whatever work I do in design, architecture, product development, my experience of branding, advertising, marketing, PR, and stuff. And I shared an idea recently which a lot of people have liked, including caretakers and stuff, and NGO owners, which is actually addressing a problem that we have for the voiceless, which is dogs and stuff. I feel pained, and I feel sad when I see the way they're treated and stuff. And over the years and stuff, I've seen this when it's raining and stuff. They're just trembling away uh, in the rain, looking for a place to sit and stuff, and they get kicked around by people. And then during winters, they're finding a place to get warm. In summers, they're looking for a place to kind of stay, cold and relax and stuff. So everybody knows this. And let's face it, even people who don't like animals, including dogs and stuff, I mean, they're all looking for homes. And if you give a home to a human being, he works the whole day, he does his stuff, and he goes back, and he's in his own space, and he's not on the road and stuff. So similarly, it's so simple and practical in application that if you were to give a dedicated space to an animal where he's already sitting, and it's not disturbing the traffic, it's not disturbing trespassers, it's against a wall, it's a neighborhood, it's a city, it's a park, it's under a tree, it's in a shopping center, and there are places you can identify, the staircase, uh, anywhere and everywhere, and what we have to do is just design a solution for it, and I've shared this recently that I come from a background of branding, global marketing, PR, and communication and stuff. And I did an interesting project with an outdoor company. And I said I'd done a small project. So when I said small, I meant I'd done a project for a few crores for some of the biggest brands in the country, Samsung and other similar brands and stuff. Uh, they seemed small at that point of time, but there was some innovation that happened, and we did some very interesting product development, and we did some interesting boards and installations at various places like Ansal and the airport at Bombay, Bangalore, Chennai, Calcutta, Delhi, on the highways and stuff, on the streets and stuff, at auditoriums, at stadiums, at malls and stuff and all. So I realize even the buildings are being covered by billboards and stuff, and technology's taken a different detour now. With technology coming in and stuff and all that, you've got amazing lighting happening, and you've got the laser stuff happening and all that. But lots of countries are still developing, and lots of countries, even which are developed and stuff, have a problem or a issue of products that are not used or reused, products that are not reused, right? So if you have billboards which are kind of removed from the boards or from the roads or from the hallways or from the metro stations or from the malls or from flyovers like the D&D flyover, the Gurgaon flyover, where do they go, so sometimes they are reused, they are kind of dressed or redraped and stuff if their condition is good. So I don't know how it works because I'm talking of working for an organization in 2000s and stuff, so lots of stuff would have changed. But the point is that, if you could use those boards, or if you could use that material, recycle it or reuse it, and create homes or houses in the form of shelters for animals and cats, it's workable, right? So if you were to make brains work on it, students work on it, designers work on it, people like me work on it, all you have to do is conceptualize. The term is conceptualize it and find a solution for it. So it's very simple. There are two, three things you could do. One is just have a kennel-like house, which is reconstructed of recycled material. It could be any material which doesn't get hot, which doesn't get very cold, and it protects them from the rain and stuff and all that. Or you could have simply, those flaps installed to the walls. So you have something little slanted. I'll share the pictures and stuff. So you have the board installed in a slanting manner, which falls straight and sticks to the wall, and it's got some installation procedure in it. Whenever it's raining, whenever there's a storm, or whenever there is, whenever they want to sit and they want to sleep, lie, or eat their food and stuff, you just open up the top, which is the board or the frame or the recycled material, and you adjust it in a manner like you would adjust a tent. It's open from both sides, and the dog just sits there. The third is, it's so easy. It's so very easy. Wherever they sit, wherever they are, just give them newly made homes. I would not recommend wood because you'll be cutting down all the wood of this city and stuff. But the point is, if you have wood which is discarded, or if you could use a material which is, not harmful in terms of wastage or can be easily managed and stuff, just make homes. How difficult is it? It's so easy. You don't have to even relocate animals that are friendly, feed them there, give them their space, add some greenery there and stuff. It's possible and all. It's not difficult. I mean, if you can have these green, if you can install green grass, that material which they have, which they use for landscaping and vertical works and stuff and all that, for gardening and all that. You could use something like that to create an area and a zone, and if it's in a community, or if it's an area where people are willing to take responsibility or already taking responsibility. There's so many people, like under my gym, many of us feed them, and now I see after I started, many people come and feed them, and they're sitting under the staircase, so make it a cool space to be at. You don't have to install an AC or a fan or whatever. If you could do that, that's great, but the point is, just make it a cool space, so these are these ideas I'm sharing, and I don't do these in design and architecture and stuff, but I can give you a concept. If it works, please use it. Please share it on behalf of the community and people like me and stuff, all the NGO owners, all the activists, all the designers, all the government officials, all the MCD people, the young entrepreneurs, the young designers, the caretakers. They put in so much of energy and effort. I mean, there are days when even we are kind of giving rice and wheat and stuff because we want the stomachs to be full and stuff. So many of us and lots of people, they donate or do charity from their own pocket. So without making it a big deal, if you can share this, and if you can make it happen, that would be really good. And it seems that our CM Rekha has also shared this. She's met with the foundation, and she's been sharing it at forums that budgets have come in. I was shocked this year. The budget did not have a mention of animal care anywhere, and it's remarkable that we've had this. So I hope they will stick to this, and the Supreme Court will revisit its, decision and stuff, and it'll be in favor of kindness, warmth, genuine concern, and humanity and stuff. These creatures are just everywhere. Humans can still speak and fight and demand or say it, but they can't, right? So if you feel for it, please share it. And if you run a agency, or if you have a business like this, try including it in your portfolio. And I don't think you require permissions in communities and stuff, or neighborhoods. All you need to do is to talk to your associations and your RWA people or whatever, so that's how it works. So if you can make that happen, why not, so my wishes are with you. If you like the idea, give me a thumbs up. I see people liking it wherever I'm sharing it, but the point is not to just share an idea. The point is to make it happen. So let's get real, let's get practical, let's action it, and we'll have definitely a solution and stuff, because community pets and city dogs have to be treated with respect, and they don't have to be picked up every time there is a big conference or a meeting happening and stuff. You don't pick up people from the street and take them anywhere. So why would you do this to animals just because they're animals? So voice it out, share it, make it happen. jkapani@gmail.com, jashinkapani.im@gmail.com, jashinkapani office@gmail.com. Those are my contacts. You can reach me over a mail, and I'll be more than happy to see what you're doing. And thank you so much for all your appreciation, your likes and stuff. The idea is to share ideas and make them happen, not simply just spend your energy on it. Okay, so love and luck and take care. And yes, finally, I've already finished off my coffee. This was I don't know, this was probably Sri Lankan coffee or something. I don't know what it is, but it was different, and it's black coffee. It is Sri Lankan coffee now with the aroma and everything. So have a coffee. If you're able to solve a problem, have a coffee. If you're not able to solve a problem, give it some time, have a coffee, think about it, research about it. Life is a lot easier now, and come back and make it happen. Okay? Cheers. Bye bye. And Hakuna Batata. Bye bye.